Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add testimonials on your website using the htmega plugin. Testimonials are very useful when it comes to helping your potential customers understand that you are trustworthy and what other customers are saying about you. It also works as a great tool to boost the conversion rate of your website. Now I'm gonna show you how you can add testimonials. First of all, create a section and search for the testimonial widget. Drag the widget that has the HT badge. From the testimonial panel, select a style for the testimonials. There are 9 different styles available for the testimonial widget. Here you can add a name, image, designation, etc. for the testimonial author. Now insert the testimonial text from here. Add more testimonials if you need. Enable this option if you want to display the testimonials within a slider. In the slider option panel, you can control all the slider related properties. From the Style tab, you can manage the necessary styles for all the elements of this widget. This way you can display testimonials on your website. If you have any suggestions to improve this widget, please leave a comment below. So that's it from me today. See you next time.